If you recently formed a California LLC, you are required to pay an $800 annual LLC tax to the Secretary of State. However, what most new LLC owners don't realize is that one of these $800 LLC tax payments is due to the Secretary of State shortly after you form your business. That's right, if you wait until tax time of next year, then most likely your first $800 payment is late and subject to penalties and fines. The California Secretary of State is very slow with processing their penalties and fees. So this means that several years later down the line, you may receive a mysterious bill for an $800 tax with additional penalties and interest that has been accruing for years. How do I know this? Because it happened to me. California LLCs are required to pay an annual $800 LLC tax. This tax is usually payable at tax time, April 15th or earlier, and is payable to the California Franchise Tax Board. This goes hand in hand with California Form 568, which is your LLC's return of income due at tax time. However, when a new LLC is formed, the Secretary of State's website states that that LLC is required to pay their first $800 LLC tax by the 15th day of the 4th month after formation. This $800 is paid for the upcoming year, which is the reason why it is not deferred until tax time. Because you are forming your LLC mid-year, that year that we are currently in is unpaid. Therefore, the Secretary of State and the California Franchise Tax Board require you to pay this year's $800 fee shortly after formation. Make sure that you pay this fee to the California Franchise Tax Board no later than the 15th day of the 4th month after formation.